Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch wheels. Black MB text interior with a natural grain black wood trim. Panorama sunroof. This one does have an aftermarket exhaust, so it does come with the original grille and the original exhaust. Premium 2 package with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This C-Class has 49,379 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.